Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiyatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning December 13th to the 19th using this kit called Gingerbreadman from PaperCandyArt, and I paired it with a pixie pack from what is it called? The Plan Pixie Co. And I mixed two foil bundles together this week and the next week, so I got one bundle in green and one in red and mixed them together. So I mixed the icons, the scripts and everything, so it was like every other red for the most part. I did colour block this week, and then I did debate whether or not to use my green icons on a green day, but because of the blue colour I decided to not do all of that and just I was going to colour block completely even with the underlays, and I thought that's too much effort, so I decided not to. Anyways, this week I was 29 weeks pregnant, so baby was the size of a butternut squash. Before I finish the base, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I have a lot of extenders in this week. Some of them I don't think I needed. But yeah, anyways, let's get started with the day by day. So on the top Monday, I use a sleep mask sticker from the kit to note being really sleepy. I then use this lesson planning sticker from Stick with a Planker to note going to work. The work scripts are from the foil bundle. Then use this backache / cramped pregnant lady sticker from Joy Planning to note I have some backaches. Then noted cramps with this icon from Planner Hannah. I marked being a bit constipated with this poop sticker from What's My Love, and then I marked that my mortgage was stressing me out with a Stress AF munchkin from What's My Love and a mortgage script from Gingerbreadman Designs. I then marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the kit, and then I marked getting bins with a burger icon from the foil bundle. Moving on to Tuesday, at the top of Tuesday I marked work with the backpack munchkin from What's My Love. I then marked that my car was icy again with a car icon from the foil bundle. I marked another backache with the same sticker from Joy of Planning. I marked being sleepy with a pillow icon from Carly Plans. Then use a controller from Carly Plans, the Babe Gaming custom script from Mick Plans to note my husband was gaming. I marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle. Then I marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button sticker from Carly Plans, a binge script from the kit, and a With My Love script from Randy Plans to note a YouTube binge with my husband. Most of the time my YouTube binges are with him. I then use this winking cat for Mixie Cat stuff and a cuddle script from Mick Plans to note cuddles with my husband. Moving on to Wednesday, I used a wallet sticker from the foil bundle and a payday script also from the foil bundle to note it was payday. I marked a midwife appointment with a custom Plan Pixie Co midwife appointment script and a icon from PMD stickers. I then used the Socks and Cactus Happy Girl to note that everything was good at the appointment. I used this ultrasound sticker from Planner Hannah to note that he had a strong heartbeat. I used this cramp sticker again from Joy of Planning to note that was in a lot of pain though. And then I marked with a Once More of Love schoolhouse so that I went to work with a work script. And then I used this cake icon from this is a PaperCandyArt, but it's not from the kit, to note that it was my cousin's birthday. And I used a happy birthday script from Kenzie's creation. Then used this Christmas planning girl from Fox and Cactus to note Plan With Me binge. On to Thursday, I used this large teacher sticker from Music Cat Studio to note work. I then used this laptop sticker from the kit to note that I was teaching this day. I used this balloon stickers to note that it was the last day of term. And then I used this gift sticker from the foil bundle to note that I got some Christmas gifts from the kids and from staff. I do not give Christmas gifts because I don't celebrate it, so it's not expected. No one expects me to give gifts, but usually at school the kids give gifts, so yeah. There I used this crying girl from Musical Cat Studio to note that one of the gifts was some of the kids gave me gifts for the baby, and it was the first time I saw clothes for him because I hadn't bought anything for him, so I started crying when I saw it. So I use this Good Cry script from SBC to note that. And the extender, I use this taco sticker to note getting Nando's. I didn't get tacos at Nando's obviously, but I just don't know, I just use the food stickers from the foil bundles to note any food just because it's there. I then use this laughing sticker from the Honeybee shop to note I saw one of my colleagues who had left work who came that day. I then use this couples on public transport sticker from Paper Co. to note me and my husband took the bus to go to the cinema. Then use this Spider-Man sticker from Coffee Monsters Go to note that we watched Spider-Man 3. I forgot what it's called, so I just wrote Spider-Man 3. On the Friday, I used a bed sticker from the kit to note it was the first day of break. I then used this laughing girl from Pink Diamond Planner Code to note I had a self-care day. The self-care script is from the foil bundle. I used this blue YouTube play button from Carly Plans to note a YouTube binge. The YouTube script is from Adobe Amy Designs. I then marked my husband gaming with a custom script from Mick Planned and a controller from Carly Plans. I then used this planner piece sticker from the SBC anniversary bundle to note another Plan With Me binge. I used this PMD stickers guy character to note that my husband went out, and then I used a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a bed early custom script from Carly Plans to note that I went to bed early. On to Saturday, I used a blow dryer icon from the foil bonnet and an appointment script from the foil bonnet to note I had a hair appointment. I then used this shocked girl in a mask sticker from Fox and Cactus to note that my mum tested positive for the Rona. I then used this pizza icon from the kit to note that me and my husband had pizza that night, and it was him gaming with a custom script from Planned and a controller from Carly Plans. I used this planner sticker from the foil bundle to note a Plan With Me binge. Then used the YouTube play button from Carly Plans and the binge watch script from SBC to note a YouTube binge. Then used this grocery sticker and grocery script from the foil bundles to note grocery delivery. I then used this bed icon from Carly Plans and a nap queen script from SBC to note taking a nap. On to Sunday, I noted sleeping in with a bed from Carly Plans and a sleeping script from Mick Plans. I marked another Plan With Me binge with another Christmas planning girl from Fox and Cactus. I marked my husband gaming with another custom script from Mick Plans and a controller from Carly Plans. I then marked a lazy day with the couch sticker from the kit. I marked binge watching shows with my husband with the TV icon from the foil bundle and a custom script from Mick Plans. I then marked cuddles with my husband with this scribbler character from SBC and a cuddle script from Mick Plans. And then noted another YouTube binge with my husband with a YouTube play button from Carly Plans, a binge watch script from Mick Plans, and a With My Love script from Randy Plans. And then finally, I used the phone icon from the kit and a Call Mum custom script from Bella Plant Ella to note calling my mother to see how she was doing. So that was this week. I'm almost at the end of this planner. I'm quite excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And in a second, I'm going to show you guys a wiggle. I loved how this mixed metal foil moment came together, and I hope you guys, sorry, it was hard. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys what's left of the kit, and I'll see you in the next one.